What is going on, guys? Tabur here. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are well. Today is the day I am finally transforming my car. It's gonna be looking different after today, and I can't wait to see it. Appreciate you, VinylFrog official on Instagram, for sending this vinyl through. I can't wait to see this on my car, bro. But before that, let me show you what happened yesterday, and yeah, let's get into the video.
Ladies and gents, as you can see, the Polo GTI is currently being washed. I'm gonna wash this because tomorrow it's gonna go and be wrapped, of course, and I can't wait to show you guys the color that it's gonna be wrapped in. So let's stay tuned, let's get this car washed, get it ready for tomorrow, and when tomorrow comes, I'm gonna review the wrap.
Just why they hate me, keep them spinners, they can't break me. My conduct pull my head and I am patient for my greatness. Man, I get just why they hate me, keep them spinners, they can't break me. My conduct pull my head and I.
Ladies and gents, now is where the wrapping will be happening. Obviously, shout out to VinylFrog for sending this through. I can't wait for this car's transformation to just be complete. It's gonna look sick. They've already done the measuring of the car, and now they're just making sure that everything is sorted so that they can go ahead and do the vinyl wrapping of the car. It's gonna look quite sick. Obviously, I'm gonna add on some parts, just like having a gloss black side mirror and perhaps gloss black on the roof, but that's gonna be done separately. But yeah, they're just doing what they're doing, and I'm gonna go and shoot a video as they basically put the wrap on. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are on our way to 4,000 subscribers, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of things done to this car. I'm trying to make it the hottest GTI in South Africa. I'm following what my friend has been doing to his, and I can't wait to do that.
Patient for my greatness. My conduct.
So currently what they'll be doing is wrapping the hood or the bonnet, and then they've just completely wrapped the side here. The side door is just being wrapped, and yeah, I'm still just fine tuning, and my lights are out, of course, just to make sure that the wrap is fully going on the car. Crazy to see my car without lights, but it's it's all good as long as I know they're there. It's fine. The door handles are off, just so that this wrap can easily go through there, and side mirror is gonna be wrapped. So ladies and gents, the hood is done, the side doors are done. Obviously we've got the fender to do, front bumper, the boot is currently being dealt with. And we're gonna come to the side here where we have the left doors that are gonna be done. Right here, as you can see, the boot is being handled on. Guys are doing a perfect job. I obviously had some stone chips on the car, unfortunately, so you'd find like, small things like that, but it's all good. Car still looking clean, looking very nice. Also, one thing I want to mention, check this engraving MV tuned on the car. Obviously the car is powered by NV Performance, so it's meant to be there. I like the way it looks. In my mind I was like, yo, I should have had my Tabur the car guy on the door as well before this was all done, so that we can engrave it into the car, which would have looked sick. But it's all good. We'll see. You never know, guys. You never know in the future what we might do. Red, silver, the combination, guys. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? I don't know for some odd reason why I like it. Obviously the car's gonna be like this, but I'm just saying, hypothetically, imagine this was the combination. Would you guys rock with it or not? Let me know in the comments down below.
Mr. Swagger, yes, for sure. But this gun is in logo. Whoa, totally relaxa, uso border. Combi $40. I just pop my collar. You know, it's Tagaz.
As you can can see, the fender has been done, looking very stunning. And obviously the doors here. The boot is complete. Just focusing now on the top half. We're not gonna remove the spoiler because again it has been stuck on, and to remove it could cause some damage. So we're gonna wrap around it. And then on the other side, the doors of course have been wrapped, just some minor touches there, and then we're gonna come to this fender here, the front fender, then the bumper, lower bumper, roof, and obviously this around the side there, and then the mirror of course. So yeah, everything's coming along as great, and yeah, we shall see as the time goes by.
I got Zillow, be my new boss, money gon' heal the scars. Go, told me I gon' go far. Go, I can't rest until I am the best. Young all a DJ on them Kaba, one twara, get that daily happy.
Ladies and gents, as you can see, we're still busy with the car. It's about, I can say like 70% done. We're just getting the front bumper wrapped. We're still gonna get the roof wrapped. The back, the boot is wrapped. The side, on the left-hand side is wrapped. WrapGod is out there. He's the one that's doing the wrap. So yeah, he's been doing a phenomenal job, and shout out to VinylFrog for sending this through. This is a Satin Chrome Titanium Silver, which is gonna look amazing once it gets out in the sun. I've been looking at it underneath the lights, and it's just been looking amazing, and I can't wait for this entire car to be wrapped. There's still some stuff that I'm gonna be putting on the car, like putting some gloss black on top of the roof so that it somehow matches and looks nice, and then gloss black side mirrors, but that's gonna happen obviously in a different video. And yeah, I mean, I'm very satisfied with what I'm seeing here. There's gonna be some videos that I'm gonna be posting on my TikTok as well as on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. TikTok, it's Tabur the Car Guy. Instagram is Tabur the Car Guy, and on the other page of Instagram is Tabur the Car Guy Clips. So check out those pages because I'm gonna be posting some short clips as well as posting more, you know, of the car in the sun, in the rain, and yeah, it's gonna look amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We are on our way to 4,000 subscribers. We can get there before the end of the year. I trust in you. Let me know in the comments, what more would you do with this car? I mean, yes, I have the Satin Chrome Titanium Silver on the car, but what more would you want to see? And I'll see what you guys say in the comments and see which one I can consider, because we're trying to make this the hottest Polo GTI in the country. Stay tuned because there's more coming. Check you guys.
I do, and they follow from bottom, Genghis Cock. So my sons call me sauce. Man, I get just why they hate me. Keep them stinners, they can't break me.
We are so close with finishing this beautiful car. I can't wait for the whole complete. I mean, to be honest, this is like technically complete, but it's not yet complete. Still need to put the side mirrors, need to still put the back lights. And yeah, this car is looking stunning. I mean, look at it from behind, bro. Like, yo. Nah, this wrap, nah, I actually chose well. Because, I mean, the red and the silver just complement each other so much. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys the complete wrap when it's done with the side mirrors and everything on. And I'm going to perhaps take it out and then show you guys how it looks in direct sunlight or daylight. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ladies and gents. This whole preparation of this car has been amazing. I've enjoyed working with WrapGod, and thank you to VinylFrog for sending this through.
My conduct pull my head and I am patient for my greatness. Man, I get just what they hate me. Keep them stinners, they can't break me. My conduct pull my head and I am patient for my...
Ladies and gents, Tabur the Car Guy here. The car is complete. Obviously, when it was being wrapped in the garage, and you can see it there in the background, but I have not seen this car when it's exposed there in the light, and I'd love to actually see that. So once they're done putting back like the mirrors and some of the door handles, we're gonna pull it out, put it out here in the daylight, and I'm gonna see my car for the very first time initially in daylight or in the light. So yeah, I'm quite excited, and yeah, bro. Like, VinylFrog, really, I appreciate it. Like, you actually gave me a head start. You basically gave me a head start into making my car look great, and this titanium chrome silver is just gonna do the job to actually push my car further, as I'm trying to make it a show car as well as a media car at the same time. So not only do you see like the cars that I take videos of at the car meets, but you also see mine in the background as the media car. So I can't wait for my car to actually get bagged and also get rotiform rims or BBS rims, and then I'm gonna just lower it on that, and you know, just do some interior design as well, like some interior accessories like Recaro seats, new sound, like starlight, roof, ceiling. I want my car to look good. So come with me, basically. Also, subscribe to Tabur Unfiltered. That's where you see most of that car's upgrades and transformation. I'll put the link down in my description, and I'll also put VinylFrog official's YouTube link in my description as well. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let's get the car outside.
My coach is darling, shining, everybody needs some color. Knees shaking, sound of someone push it dalo. I get butterflies to see no man get bona. Make some phone was in Tonya Man's on oh man. Base a phone was in Tonya Man's on oh man. Was on oh man. Make some phone was in Tonya Man's on oh man. Make some phone was in Tonya Man's on oh man. I just wanted to know. Donya manzi uzon mana. Amalanga wafani, but umanye nawe every day is sunny. Kapelo ngaglimas nge oren donya manzi. Put you with my sister something like umfazi. Girl, I can't reach your mind, I ain't psychic. Why you playing games? Baba ningi bafuna le shandis. I think I'm falling for you like a plane of a computer, but you said it makes it no style young confused.
Yes, that's my brew, you chas. This is a madness. I'm gonna just say it, 1 of 1. You can fight with your dog, it's fine, it's 1 of 1. This is the hottest Polo GTI in South Africa. Fight with your ancestors, I said it. This is clean. This is clean. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you, VinylFrog, for sending this through. This car's looking clean. The red and the Satin Chrome Titanium Silver. You know when they say the combos communicating, they talk about this. This is too much. All that's left is that psh. I'm telling you, this thing's gonna look fire. Yeah, nah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my TikTok. And also, can the man please pull in? Please pull in. Thank you so much.
Brother, anytime.
This is WrapGod. He actually helped wrap the car, and yeah, he's done the greatest job, and I'm 100% satisfied.
So long as you're happy, I'm happy, my friend.
100%.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
You got my number. Stay in touch.
100%.
No problem. Thanks,
Guys, thank you. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been an amazing experience wrapping this car, and yeah, I can't wait to actually take this car to the car shows. It's gonna look amazing. Check you guys in the next video.